Hello my fairy friends! Today I want to show you how I transformed this piece of fabric into a mermaid core vacation beach outfit cover up, which I also think would be really cute for a mermaid or siren Halloween costume. I posted this thrift flip on Instagram and y'all went mad for it and asked for a tutorial, so here it is. The fabric I used was gifted to me. It's actually a vintage scarf. It's so ethereal, translucent, sparkly. I instantly thought of a mermaid when I saw it. This tutorial is super easy. The whole project took me about 30 minutes. It just involves a lot of draping. So for this, you'll need a mannequin in your size and a long piece of fabric that can cover your whole body. I hand stitched everything, so there's no machine needed. So the first thing I did was create a cowl neck. I used one end of the fabric to drape it over the chest, creating a U shape at the bust. Like I said before, this is all about draping. Use plenty of pins as needed to hold your garment in place. I wanted my cowl neck to come down pretty low on my cleavage because I was planning to wear a bikini underneath, so I just dropped it like that and then connected it in the back. Then I wrapped the middle part of the fabric around the midsection on the mannequin. The mannequin's torso is slightly longer than mine, so I just took that into account while I was draping. It's important to know your measurements and your mannequin measurements. So this little corner here is where I'm going to get in and out of the garment. I wanted to make it as sleek and simple as possible, so I began looking for some simple closures. I tried a couple, but none of them really worked for what I was going for. Finally, I found this vintage closure that I thought would be perfect for this. It's kind of like two buttons and a chain. I've never really seen anything like this before, but I thought it was so cute. Once I connected the closure to the fabric, the next step was fixing this back piece. The back of the garment had kind of bunched together, so I decided to just fold everything together and create this cinched effect. This is kind of hard to explain, y'all. Sometimes there really is no rhyme or reason with draping. I'm just kind of pinning it where I feel like. So this is where I connected the top of the back and sewed it in place. Now I'm just hand stitching this back area. I put loads of stitches in it. I went over and around multiple times just to make sure that it was really secure because I knew that this was a lot of fabric to sew together and I just wanted to make sure everything wouldn't come apart. And this is the final product. I thought it turned out so cute. Like I said earlier, I think it would be really fun for a Halloween costume as well. And in the summertime, you can use it as a vacation outfit or a beach cover up. Okay, y'all, so a little fun tidbit here. See my man in the background? He's plotting. I decided to take this outfit on vacation with me and we rented a yacht with our friends for the day. I had no idea this was about to happen, but he ended up proposing to me in this outfit on the yacht, which was an absolute dream. It was actually so crazy and I still can't believe it really happened. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, I make similar content to this on my channel. This was my last video where I showed y'all how to make this sleek backless dress and I included a sewing pattern as well. I'm a full-time independent fashion designer and content creator. The best way to support is to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love.